Hey all, I'm Ken Main from Sandy Hook, and I've got a Marex 330 here that I'd like to show you. I'll take you through the smart features on the boat, the DNA that Marex has built in since 1973. So come on board and we'll take a look. This boat is powered with a D6 480 V drive, so great performance, but you'll notice the cowling around here and of course the canopy. I have part of it open now. I'll do some opening and closing there so you can understand it. All the Marex boats have got dedicated bumper and line storage. Doesn't matter what the size, whether it's a 31, a 33, 36, 37, or 39, or a 44. They also all have the door here, which is going to give you great security and a back swell. Not only that, if you've got grandkids and pets, you've got a really nice area that you can keep them all at bay. Once you enter the boat, you're going to notice some phenomenal seating that is all in Marex's DNA. All the models share a very similar seating setup. You've got a high-low table here that also opens up, so you've got great seating for approximately 8 or more people right here. When that is down, you've got a cushion set that goes there, so you've got a nice sun pad or a bed area. You may notice that I've got half of the canopy closed or open, however you want to discern that. And if you'll notice on the side, you've got, I'm going to call it a garage door, you've got this storage area here where the canopy actually recesses inside. So I can literally pull this around and close up the whole boat in 5 minutes. Or I can open up the boat in any kind of climate. Really a very smart feature. You not only have the sides that open and close, but you have a manually operated top that will open up like that in any position, about 1.5 inches each one. It'll lock wherever I want it. So depending upon where the sun is, you can have full open sun, or whatever the climate is, you can open and close the boat. Another thing about the Scandinavian models is they are hardback boats, meaning they're going to have a door. They're going to have a glass door for climate control, heat and air, or security. See, with this really beautiful sliding door with great hardware there. And then coming into the boat, in the 330, you'll have a side galley. It's on the starboard side of the boat. You've got 9 soft close drawers here. Your storage is phenomenal in this galley. But there again, it's phenomenal on every Marex. You're going to notice that they're very nice, easy to open and close. So here you've got a good space. You have a 2-burner cooktop. You have a nice ample sink here. And you have a very nice fixture that allows you to move the head around wherever you're going to want to spray. Above the galley, of course, you're going to have some controls for different features on the boat. This boat is equipped with a master volt inverter. It also has a whisper jet generator system. And then we have the Sea Marine panel here, which gives your battery voltage for your engine batteries, your bow thruster. It also gives you your tankage on board, which is nice. Moving to the port side of the boat, you've got a very nice dinette. So on a 330, of course, you have the back door. We know we have the elegant seating in the stern area that opens and closes, but this boat, you can close up so you can be fully climate controlled, but you have really nice high-low seating here. This table will go up and down. It has another cushion there. It's very comfortable. It's very luxurious. This is Alcantara fabric, which is stain-proof, waterproof, very easy to care. Comes in multiple colors. This happens to be the gray, which is a popular color. Not only is it very luxurious, it's very functional. There is a backrest here. We've got it set up for the passenger to look forward, but when you want to have, play a game or have dinner here or do whatever, you just fold this forward, and now you've got a very nice seating area where you're facing your friends and family. You've got a really nice teak table, very good size. You can easily get 6 people here. It's a booth setup, but again, it's very functional. You can shorten that table if you'd like. And it's got a really neat little function here you've got this little stool that pops out, so you can grab an extra person to sit there if you need it. Or if I really want to lounge, I can kind of kick back like this, which is great as well. So really handy, super functional, very well thought out. Goes right there. Spin it, it goes up and down. Downstairs on the Marex 330, you've got a mid cabin that is almost equivalent to a queen size berth. You have a full length lighted mirror behind the door. Okay, so here we are in the master of the Marex 330, and you'll notice a very, almost a queen size bed. It's quite large. It has a really nice memory foam pad that comes with all the Marexes. And the reason why they do this, they have fitted sheets. This you can zipper off, you can launder it, it's great. Much easier to deal with than the cushions on a boat. You also have USB and 110 power up there on both sides, a little shelf. You've got the light switches in the room as well. And as you can see, you've got these really nice flush glass. Got some big openings there, provide a lot of natural light in here. You have a nice little shade that would go over your forward hatch. And of course you have curtains there. This opens up. You know, we've got tremendous storage on the Marex boats. That's one of the things that they're always thinking about is storage everywhere. That is a huge compartment. Very large drawer underneath. That is huge. And then behind this door, you'll notice these doors are translucent to keep natural light coming in. Full length lit mirror there, which the ladies love that. I like it too, actually. I want to see how I'm dressed. This is a very large hanging locker. Shelves on the left side, hanging locker on the right. Finishes off with a really huge drawer as well. There's ample storage in this boat everywhere you look. There's no shortage of storage. So once you open the head door, you're gonna find out you've got a very large countertop. It's 5+ feet long. You've got 4 very large cabinets underneath. Again, everything is very finely finished. Built-in shelves. One of the coolest showers in the industry. Step down there and you've got this really nice enclosure here. Plenty of room. I'm about 6 feet tall. I can definitely do everything I need to do in here pretty easily. This also goes high and low. It's wonderful. Rotates around nicely. Notice you can't see them, but there's hooks here, and there's also hooks here. I have this great little shelf here. Probably want to make sure stuff is stowed when you operate the boat there, but that's really handy because you've got everything in reach. Tremendous storage there, obviously, but having that, just these guys thinking about those things. You have a curtain for privacy. You have a nice little porthole to get some crossflow ventilation. So it's very well lit, big mirror. Every bathroom needs an amazing toilet. This is one of the most amazing toilets in the marine industry. It is quiet, it is fast, it is easy to operate. There's a rectangular pad right there. You just push it one time, it fills, it flushes, it refills, it's ready to go. Of course, no little head area would not be complete without a fan. Nice little fan there. So it's a very complete ensemble. You may notice something in the boat that's a little bit unique, and that's all Marexes have manual tops. This is a hard top. This again can be adjusted in 1-inch increments depending upon where you want to have it for the sun. It opens up fully, and one of the really unique things about this is now that it's open, at the helm, I can stand up and look over the whole boat. And if I want to get even higher, they've made a really unique little platform that folds down here. I can be really high up, a very commanding view over what's happening on the boat. It's great. This helm area is very aerodynamic. Everything is right where I'd like to have it. I've got the control box right here, easy to reach. It's a perfect distance. I've got a really nice Garmin, straightforward. I've got some analog gauges here, which is nice. We also have the gauge package with Volvo through the Garmin on this upper screen, which is very convenient. You can toggle between your different functions there, your GPS, your depth finder, your gauges. Boat also has autopilot. That's a Garmin autopilot system. We have a quick windlass here, very nice. It is controlled by a key fob or the pad. And you'll notice, because this is a single inboard boat, we actually have a bow and stern thruster as well. Super cool. I can control my bow and stern thruster and my anchor windlass all from this key fob. Really nice. When I'm coming into dock and I want to pass a line over or talk to the harbor master or anything like that, or access the deck, I've got a side door. I can pop right out of this side door. I can move forward, I can move aft. I've got a really tall rail here that's double, so I'm super secure. There's no worry about endangerment as far as getting off balance. Not only that, I have a great handhold up here, so I'm fully secure as I come out of this door and move up to the deck. So I popped out that side door, which is very convenient, and again, I'm standing on a slightly higher level than the lower deck trail. But again, I've got rails that are mid-thigh height. I'm 6 feet tall, so this rail is really secure. It's gonna feel very comfortable for all different sizes. As I move forward, I can hold that rail the whole way. Here we are, if you wanted to bow in, you've got the brake and the rail here, which is very traditional for European boats. You can actually do a bow gangway if you would like. But one of the things that all the Marex boats have on them is they have this front cushion set here. And this is a closed cell foam cushion set. They actually encourage you to use it as a play toy out in the water, but it's got a little trick to it, and it's a very simple trick. It has a built-in lounge set, just like your patio does. Super simple, easy to adjust, all stainless steel. And there again, you have your hatch for your master, and the cushion here is removable in the center. So this is a really cool feature for those that want to lounge up here. When you put up the bow shade up on the top and you've got that lounger set going, I'm telling you, you're living the boating dream. You've got the water there, you've got a cold drink, you got some food happening, tunes going. It's a beautiful thing. So we're going to talk a little bit about the hardware on the boat too. And most importantly, we're going to go into the anchor locker where the windlass is. The brand is Quick Windlass, and it's recessed in there. It's an all stainless steel plow type anchor. It has an anchor counter, which is really nice. It's very accurate. Of course, there's a safety chain. You'd need to undo that. But if you look down into the depths of the anchor locker here, you're going to see all stainless steel chain, and that is standard with the boat. So that's a really nice feature. And having that counter, wow, that makes it so easy to anchor and know exactly how much you have out to get the right scope for your depths. You know, we're talking about the bow and sort of hardware and different things like that. You look at the strength of these rails, how they're double welded, double layered, all recessed. But then you look at the size of the cleats. I mean, this is not a small cleat. This is this big. You know, this is a big cleat. Not only that, it's got the right amount of cleats on the boat. So you can bow and stern line, you can spring line any way that you want to do it. You've got really good hardware to lock in your boat for whatever the condition is. And you've got rub strips in the teak. Here's our line. It's right on that rub strip, so it's not going to damage any of that. It's really great. And you know, this little deal right there, that is an LED light. You've got LED lights along the whole perimeter of the boat. You even have LED lights underneath these rails. So in the evening, when you light up this boat, it's really beautiful. Walking back, again, great rails everywhere you need them, big cleats. You know, one of the things about the Marex boats is they really are 3-season or 4-season boats with the ability to open them up and close them how you want it. You can really take advantage of the different climates where you have the boat. And speaking about different climates, the Marex boats also have defrosters or heat air up at the base of the windshield there, because at different situations, whether it's dewy out and things like that, you can have some stuff happen up at your windscreen, and just for better visibility, they've got the defroster thing handled there. It's really awesome. Another part of DNA is just forward thinking about different climates that are going to be used as far as how the owners, where they live. But here we are on the hardtop of the boat. This 330 has 11 solar panels. It's about 1,500 watts of solar, which will run your refrigeration. It'll keep your batteries charged. You don't have to plug this boat in. Right now, the top is halfway back, so it's open, and that's kind of nice. I come by and it's like, hey guys, what's going on? Everybody good? Want to come outside? Nah, they're eating, they're fine. But if you come back, you've got, all these are solar panels, and they're really efficient, really nice. Here we are, we're back to the mast on the Marex boat, where you would do a radar or a FLIR or a Cynonyx night vision or something like that, or nowadays we're doing Starlink, very popular to put on there. Of course, this boat has a little spotlight on it already, but that's a very functional setup. It's got easy routing to get the electronics there, whether it comes from the factory or whether it needs to be installed later. Again, great handrails as I'm moving back here. And we're back on the port side of the boat to that canopy garage, and you can just see how the canopy would slide right in there. Really easy access. Come on back. Again, port and starboard side, you've got massive storage just tucked everywhere on the boats. They just don't miss anything. So there's the full perimeter around the whole boat. Moving back to the stern where we started, again, this is the Marex 330 Scandinavian model, and thanks for spending the time with me. And if you'd like more information, just go on to sandyhookyachts.com, hop online and check us out. Thank you.